Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's get it.
On this video, we got the updates and recaps. So starting off, we do have a brief update in regards. Jordan Brand did have their live, and they unveiled the full summer retro lineup. Some of the highlights there is the Jordan 13 Dust Clay, the Jordan 1 look like a light Palomino. And of course, we come to find out that the military blues, they're going to be calling these industrial blue.
Hmm.
We don't know why they changed the name, but be on the lookout for that. We just talked about the Jordan 3 Green Glow. We will have a Jordan 1 Green Glow as well. And if you don't know, during that live, the Green Glow was shock drop. So let us know, were you able to cop a pair during the shock drop? As well as during the live, they also released the Jordan 1 Low OG Shadow. That also shock drop during the live. Again, let us know down in the comments where you're able to cop these pairs. And we won't forget about the Jordan 12 Red Taxi. There's another fire shoe that's coming out. The Air Jordan 17 Low. That's an expensive $300 price point because it does come with that Jordan briefcase. We'll be releasing May the 30th. Again, we have the Jordan 4 Oxidized, price point of $210, releasing in May 25th. Jordan 1 High OG, releasing May 29th, price point of $180. We do have the Air Jordan 6 Reverse Oreo coming out on June 8th, releasing at a price point of $200. And for the women, they do have an Air Jordan 11 Retro Low coming out on June 20th with price point of $190. Again, we have the Air Jordan 11 Low Space Jam coming out on a retail price of $190. Those are some of the highlighted shoes that were showcased during the live. We didn't go over all of them, but we just hit the most popular ones. So moving on to the Jordan recaps. This did come out on the week of the 18th through the 24th of February. Starting off on February 22nd, we did have that Jordan 12. I called them AKA Miami. This did come out in the GS colorway and little kids and for toddlers.
But according to Nike.com, all sides
Are available.
We got next one, brother.
So on February the 23rd, we did have that Jordan 9 Golf. The price point for those were going for $230. Hey, we do have a video that we did release. Hey, check out that video right there. We did have an unboxing for those. But according to Nike.com, all sizes are available. Once again, all sizes are available. What we have next, my brother?
So finishing off that week, February the 24th, we did have a Jordan 1 OG High. This was called black and white. I called these the reverse pandas. I did think that this would be a nice colorway to rock. However, all sizes are available. I say again, all sizes are available. So you want these, don't sleep on these. I know people will start getting their tax returns now. So come to these shoes that are sitting will be all ate up and gone. So if you want these, go ahead and pull the trigger. Don't wait or get them on StockX on the retail. But just think ahead, this is the time to buy. All shoes are going on sale right now. Get that tax, and you got a little disposable income. Don't want to snatch your pairs up, sneakerheads.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you were able to snatch any of those shoes up, hey, drop us a comment down below. Down below. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.
peace.